I've seen way too many people in Discord servers asking how to make these graphs, so I'm gonna speedrun one of them. So I guess let's just do this one, right? So either we can just paste it in there and try to copy it now. Well, this one you could actually just extract from the video, but we'll just try to make our own one, right? So I'll just put that there as an inspiration. I've got a background right here. We can also just use these lines from the analytics as a background. That usually looks nice. So if you're doing this on Photoshop or whatever, you can do all of the same steps. It also works on Photopea. So I'm just making a background right now by duplicating the layers. And then we have like these lines from the YouTube dashboard. And then I'm gonna, hold on, just merge that real quick, delete the background. And then put a new layer of transparency up there. So if we want to have a growing graph, obviously we should use green tones. But first I'm gonna use also this white one. And I'm gonna make like a small outline of how it's gonna look like at the end. So I'll just click somewhere, and then hold shift while doing this. Okay, that's actually... is that a good graph? It's alright, it's alright. You should spend more time on this, but you know, I'm just trying to demonstrate how this works in general. So once we have that, we can select everything below it. It's not showing that I have everything selected, but I do. Then gradient. That also exists in pretty much every single photo editing software. By the way, GIMP is free, the one that I'm using. And then you get yourself two greens, a dark green one and a light green one, and boop! You've got a gradient! Wow, isn't that amazing? But I'm gonna switch it around. Wait, which way was it? I keep forgetting. Yeah, this looks better, this looks definitely better. And there we go, we've got a gradient, that's half of the part. I'm gonna create a new layer, transparency, go back to my pencil right here, put the size up this time, and just do the same thing again. Up to there, down to there, up there, boop, boop, boop. Boop. I could have started with this as well, but I don't know, it's fine. So now we've got this and this, right? And then the layer at the bottom, we can decrease the opacity if we want to, if you want to have it like kind of shining through. Let's look at the example again. Which one? Yeah, sometimes it's a bit transparent, sometimes it isn't. So you can play around with that if you want to. And then on the top layer, obviously want some glow, so I'll just go to filters, then drop shadow, put a bit of glow radius, but not too much. And that looks pretty glowy to me. So yeah, you can do whatever you want with this now. Add some text, I guess. I can just use this as a thumbnail for this video. I'm just trying to tell you how to do this. It's not going to be like an actual upload, but why not, you know? Create this. Create this. Your tutorial is over, you can leave. I'm just gonna finish this real quick. Alright, editing thumbnail. Now, where's it? Arrows. Red arrows. Yes. Yeah, that's definitely not the right arrow for this. Arrow, not error. How dare I? And there you go. Yeah, I mean that's kind of okay. It's just, while I'm at it, I'm gonna put a real quick outline of this. Selection, grow, by 6, sure. Then black, bucket. Yeah, that's alright. Okay. Good night.